see that? The pen. Looking like a Minnie Mouse up in here. Just the chocolate version. I don't know what that was.
I ain't worth more than they thought of me. I gotta be the Lord, said I'm worth it all when he paid the whole fee. Put his spirit in my heart so that I can be free. Way be, you will find liberty and have peace every day away. Gotta give things, gotta pray. Whatever my hands find to do, I gotta do it great. Go the whole way, gotta stay focused in the paint. Bottle in my face, I don't wanna fall.
Hey yo! It's 2 in the morning, so I can't be as low as I want to. But anyways, what is up, guys? Welcome to It's NayNay's World after all. If you are new to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you are notified every single time I upload a video. It's your girl NayNay back with another video or whatever. And in today's video, I will be showing you how I do my infamous double buns. So yes, this is my favorite hairstyle. This is my go-to hairstyle. That's how it was tonight. It was like 1 in the morning when I did my hair. So yeah, my go-to hairstyle, and it is easy, it is quick, simple, and also ever cute. And I'll explain why I have a scarf on at the end of the video. But yeah, so if you like what you see, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and smash it. You feel me? Okay? And make sure you leave a comment down below. But without further ado, let's get right into the video, guys. So, ladies and gentlemen, I have no idea what I'm doing right here. I think I'm trying to get my hair, not only my hair, but only my life together. Okay? So, yes, I was getting my hair together. So, we are going to start this hairstyle by spraying some water. I think my hair was still a little bit damp, but I ain't sure. And yeah, I'm just getting my life together. Now we spraying water. Okay, so just spraying this side down with water, you feel me? Just, you know, spraying and spraying, making sure it's soaked but ain't soak, like it's damp but more than damp. You know what I'm trying to say. So yeah, so I'm just going to spray my hair with some water around the perimeter and also on top. We just going to spray all around. It's a spray party, you feel me? It's a spray party. So just want to make sure you get those edges, the whole side of your head, all that, you feel me? Just want to make sure you get all that nice and soaked. So water is key in this hairstyle, by the way. That is a major key. We hitting that DJ Khaled major key alert. That's a major key when doing this hairstyle. So I'm just taking my gel, my gel, and I will be using the gel in about a minute. Alright, cool. So yeah, so now I am putting the gel all over the perimeter of my section, and I'm not only going to do that, but I'm also going to use my brush. I'm using a soft bristle brush and a dimming brush just to make sure that thing nice and sleek. You feel me? Slick. You want that joint to be slick. Okay. So yes, so I'm just going to take my bun maker and put that joint right there. You don't have to do this when doing buns, but I knew that my hair was going to be in a protective style for about a week or two, so I like to make sure like the bun, I don't have to keep on redoing the bun. So I'm taking the My Gel, also the Kinky Curly Curling Custard, because that will hold down my hair better than the My Gel. The My Gel is for softness and the Kinky Curly is for hold. So I'm just doing the same exact thing to the other side like I did the first side, taking my soft bristle brush and smoothing it along with the dimming brush. And then I'm going to wrap my hair with my giant thick scrunchies, and then I'm going to put the bun makers right there. You can put your part however you want. I just chose to have my part down the middle because that's how I like to wear my buns. And now I am going to be shaping and forming my buns. So with me, I have to pull out my hair because yeah, my hair, since I did my big chop, is not that as long as it used to be, but it's still long enough. So I just have to pull up my hair a little bit, and I just wrap my hair around the bun maker, put bobby pins in it as I see fit, because yeah, my hair ain't gonna hold just by itself. So I just do that on both sides and just use my bun maker, pull my hair, shape my hair around the bun maker, use some bobby pins and all that. Now, if it's not as late as it was for me, you could definitely do your edges. It was about 1-2 o'clock in the morning. I didn't see no point in doing my edges, so I just did that. I just want to make sure like my hair is nice and slick and whatnot. But oh yeah, even though I didn't do my edges, I always put Jamaican black castor oil on my edges no matter what, because you gotta make sure the thing is healthy, you feel me? So that's pretty much it. That's how I do my two buns. It's not really that complicated. Very, very simple, easy. Like I said, it's my go-to hairstyle. I love this hairstyle. I feel like I've perfected for the most part. Not all the way, but most of the way. So yeah, cute, easy, fun. You get called Mickey Mouse and a whole bunch of other compliments, and it's cute. Yeah. So as you could see, that is how I do the double buns. Like I mentioned in the video, I do like to do it with the bun maker with the thing in the middle, especially during the winter time, because it is so cold and I don't want my ends to dry out as easily. Especially now here in Maryland, it's definitely getting colder with all the snow stuff coming. So yeah, and as you see now, this is why I have on the scarf, because you know I put Jamaican black castor oil on my edges, and also it's 2 something in the morning, like I think like almost 2:45 in the morning. So that's another reason why I have this on. But yes, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you like what you saw and you want more, just go ahead and subscribe. Like go ahead and subscribe, you feel me? And make sure you hit the notification bell so you are notified every single time. And I think I covered everything in the first part of the video. And yeah, so thank you all for watching. Please leave a comment if you enjoyed it, what you think that I should do next, any type of hairstyles you want me to do, or anything else that you would like to comment. As long as it's positive, we do positive energy on this channel. So yes, thank you guys for watching so much. I love you guys. Bye.
Lean, drop a big papa, think I need a surgeon, doctor, fire department. I've been on the streak, no losses, we get sparked, and then I go and leave the surface, join my Martians. Set the timer, seat recliner, but I never ease my mind in perfect timing. Recommend they work low harder, switch the grind up temperature, the smoke is rising, where's the hydrant? Night and daily, dollars pay me, I'ma let her drop the